Okay, the ads have just started and I face the same issue. If it's limited by budget, will it impact the campaign? Well, Google knows that you don't have enough budget, so they may prefer other advertisers in the auction because they know they have more money. It's like anything in life. If you get two clients, one with less budget or no budget, and one with lots of money and lots of budget, who you are going to look after more? Of course, with the guy or the girl with the most budget, right? So Google will also see this as, okay, this company or this account or the advertiser does not have enough budget, so we're going to obviously show the ads even fewer times than somebody who has got more. You will get limited by budget. We get it all the time. Does not mean that you keep on throwing money at Google if your campaigns are not performing. So you got to make sure that you reach that break even as the bare minimum, where it is not costing you out of your pocket or your client's pocket to run ads and to pay you as a freelancer or as an agency. Once you hit that minimum threshold, that's where you can start scaling and slowly increase the budget. And then that limited by budget will hopefully disappear. You're going to get more impressions, more clicks, more conversions, and your business is going to grow. So don't increase the budget if your campaigns are not performing. Increase your budget if they are performing.